Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Yancy, and I'm on a journey to become debt-free. Happy Monday. Let me just say that I am not fully myself. I'm not 100% out there. I wish I could talk about it, but I'm not going to talk about it. It's just some budgeting stuff. But I will say that I'm going to put it this way. I will say that I will never try to hurt anybody or try to copy somebody because I want to be like them, if that makes sense. Like, sometimes I get inspired by you guys, and even if it is for my personal use and stuff like that, I don't know. I don't know how to tell you guys. I feel bad for even asking a question to someone, and yeah. Ugh. But anyways, today we're gonna get started, and you guys, look, I got so anxious. Like, when I get anxious, stressed and stuff like that, I bite my nails. I didn't bite my nails. I actually just clipped them off, and I took off my white off nail, and it only lasted a day. And yeah, so this is where we at. Oh well, right? $35 today to Cash Stuff. I'm pumped and excited to see for Mini Mondays. And yeah, oh my gosh, let me fix my camera. Hold on. I'm sorry, guys. I know. It's just one of those days, I'll be honest with you. Oh man. I don't know. I feel bad. Like, I wanted to do something for myself, personal use only, and I asked permission for someone if I could, like, do something similar like them, but for personal use. Not to, like, sell it, and I don't know, I feel like it came off in the wrong way, and I think I offended her. So today I'm gonna go and buy some stuff and send her a little box and basically say, like, here's my I'm sorry gift. Like, I don't know, I feel bad. I'm very sentimental, guys. I get butthurt very fast, like very, very fast, and I don't know. But anyways, today we have $35 to do for Mini Mondays. I'm excited to see if we get close to even finishing some challenges. I know some of the challenges we are very close, some of them were not, but it's okay. I'm excited. I did condense some envelopes because it had way too much ones, and you know, the struggle is real. It does not fit in the envelope. So yeah, all right, guys. It is Monday. I'm excited to do some errands. We have a lot of errands to do. We're probably gonna go to our insurance. Remember, I told you a few months ago that when the temperature dropped, I had some little like little tiny rock that hit my windshield. So some rocks hit my windshield, and it had like a little crack barely. And when the temperature went down, it like cracked across the dashboard, or across the window. So now I have 3 cracks across my windshield, and it looks ugly. I personally hate it. It doesn't look cute. And yeah, so let's get a rolling the dice, and let me take a picture right now like this, just a little thumbnail. Okay, thumbnail it is. I love this. Oh my gosh, obsessed. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. I need my coffee. Hubby is awake, but he hasn't made coffee yet, and I need my coffee. I'm gonna be going to do a little errands, and I'm gonna be buying like some gifts for her. Like, it's not gonna be for her, but yes, it's for her. It's for her business. Does that make sense? I don't know, guys. Let's get it going. That's it. Okay, we have a number 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have a 3. Okay, and I only have one redo. I only have 1 5, you guys, for today. We have a 1. That's from my coffee shop. By the way, don't forget to check out my coffee shop if you can. And redo again. We have a 4. Also, I want to say a huge thank you to you guys for watching my playlist. Like, I am at 3,004 watch hour, and basically, like, let's say I need 1,000 more, and oh my gosh, I'm excited. Like, a huge thank you to you guys for playing some of my playlists. If you can play my playlist for even 30 minutes or 10 minutes, 20 minutes, you name it, I'm thankful and grateful. Like, thank you so much. If you're new here, after 12 months, your watch hour goes down, and if you don't post as much, ooh, a 6 got a 5, the first 5, the last 5. If you don't post as much, your hours drop dramatically. And my hours been word dropping very fast. Not too much, but they were dropping a little bit. And since I started posting almost every day, I've noticed that it goes up a little bit. Not as much, but it does goes up a little bit. And I'm like, oh my gosh. I'm like, yes. Okay, this is a 4. You can't tell. So that's why you're going to see me post, if possible, 6 times a week. If I post 7 times a week, that's like amazing, okay? So I hope you guys don't get bored of me. And yeah, I'm a low income. I get paid every day. I'm a server. So yes. And then also, my hours has been cut just a tiny bit. So sometimes I may not be able to cash stuff as much money. And yeah, but you guys, I'm so excited for this journey. I'm finally going to be debt free for the first time ever, in a way. I have been debt free 2 times, but I always go back to it. Like, I'm very shopaholic, but this year I told myself, you know what, Yancy, you cannot be doing that. You're a grown fucking woman and acting like a fucking kid. So I was like, you need to start changing up your stuff now. Okay, last dollar goes to number 3. So I was like, you need to stop with your BS and get it going, girl. Like, you know, you're young, but you're getting old. So you need to put priorities first. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing. And can I tell you, the 2 times that I have came debt free has felt like a weight has been lifted, and I feel so weird. And then I go back to the debt. Does that make sense? That's ridiculous of me. I know. Okay, guys, this one is from my Ko-fi shop. You can find it in my description box, and the link there for my Ko-fi or Ko-fi shop. Each thing is $1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. $7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Yay. So for Mini Mondays, I try to only do 1 through 4, the max, as the numbers, if possible, because they're Mini Mondays. They're less money for me to play with. So that's what I'm trying my best to do. All right, guys, we have a 2 on this, and that means that we're not gonna do anything, because each little money sign here is for $4, and I do not have $4. So maybe for Freaky Wednesday, we might get some more love for this one. I'm excited. So if you're new, Freaky Wednesday is just a name that came up just so people can click on my video, because they're like, what the heck, why is it Freaky Wednesday? You know, it's curious. Like, you're like, what in the world? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we got 1, 2, and 3. So 3 little hearts on this one. Oh no, I don't know what I did with the other one. Oh well. 3 hearts. So what we're gonna do is 1. Each heart is $2. So 1, 2, and 3. All right. Oop, 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 oop. Okay, hold on. Okay. All right, there we go. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 left. Maybe we complete it for Freaky Wednesday. So like I was saying, so I call it Freaky Wednesday so people can just like click on it and be like, what in the world's going on here? What are you talking about? What are you doing? And so I just wanted to be different. I like to be different. I like to stick out with stuff like that, or random stuff. And yeah, so there is that. So hopefully Freaky Wednesday does help us complete something. All right, guys, so this one right here is $3 each heart, and this right here we have 5, 6, and 7. So we only gonna do a 6, and I don't have the marker either. Oh my gosh, you guys. So we're gonna do 2 hearts because each heart is $3, and we have 6. Ooh, we need 3 more hearts. We're so close. Maybe Freaky Wednesday, you guys. No, look, I had some leftovers. I had $2 leftovers. I messed up. They're not. Oh my gosh, I messed up. Oh my gosh. Okay, so 3, 4, 5, 6. No, I didn't. Okay, so look, we had $2 left over from last time, and then 1 left over from today. That is, oh my gosh, you guys, I'm sorry. You know, my head is not right today. I'm so sorry. I'm such an emotional bitch. Like, I'm so sentimental. Anyways, and that I get stuff get through me or get to me so quick. I don't know why. And then I overthink stuff. And then I read body language sometimes not how I'm supposed to read it, if that makes sense. And sometimes I'm like, I'm just saying stupid stuff, or I'm just overthinking stuff, and you know, I don't know, that's just how my little mind works. But anyways, okay, nice. So that means we only have 2 more hearts to complete this one, and we're gonna save $60, y'all, maybe for Freaky Wednesday. I'm telling you guys, come back for Freaky Wednesday, but don't wait until Wednesday. You need to come back tomorrow for Tuesday cash tapping Tuesday. Okay, all right, this one has nothing, so that means that we still cannot not cash tap, but we still cannot do this one because we only have $1 left. Only $1. That one only got $1, so nope, that one's not doing anything or not getting anything. Maybe next time. And last but not least is mine. This challenge, I love this challenge. Bugs Bunny, you know, spanking her with the undie down. A lot of people get mixed emotions or mixed feelings or mixed reaction with this. Don't take it by heart. It's just a fucking funny challenge. Like, I don't know how to tell you. I just think it's so hilarious. So that's why I make, or sometimes I do stuff like this, because I just love watching people reaction to stuff like that. Like, they're like, oh my gosh, what's going on? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. So that's 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh no, you're kidding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that's for sure 4. Okay, so 4, 8, 10. So 4, 8, 10. So 10. So we're gonna have $1 left from this one. Hey, we're getting close. We're getting close. We have only the 4, 4, and 2. So $10 more, and we should be done with this one. Ooh, how exciting. I don't know how much this one will save me, I'll be honest with you, but I'm sure it's probably more than $40. So that's exciting. That's a big chunk for my debt payment. Okay, look at that, you guys. We are done. Okay. Awesome sauce. Let's put those there. Let's do this here. Oh my gosh, I forgot to say, this is my last mini Monday for February. What in the world? I know time is going by so fast. This month felt like it went way too quick. January was like, it took forever. And this month, we just went in this month. And next thing you know, we're already out of this month. Like, what in the heck? What the heck? That's just some weird stuff. I know. Alrighty, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed this cute and quick and fun video. And the trash can has arrived. I took out the trash way before I took Eric to school, because usually sometimes they come before me dropping off Eric, and I'm like, you know what, today I'm running my ass outside to take both of the trash can and the recycle bin, and I sure did. And look, yes, we're getting our trash out. So exciting. We're getting our trash picked out. We usually forget because we're always at work. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you guys tomorrow for Cash Stuffing Tuesday. Bye guys. Have a lovely Monday.